Hello everyone, here's the step-by-step guide to Taplow-Court. I have booked the GWR railway ticket online, so from the nearest station, I'm travelling to Ealing Broadway station to get on the GWR.
So today it's the 29th of December, Saturday, and we are going to Taplow-Court. This is the nearest station from my hotel, Tottenham Court Road Station. Yeah, and I woke up at 3:30 a.m. today. I'm so tired. See the eyelids.
Since I chose to self-collect the ticket during the online booking, I'll be heading towards the self-service ticket machine in Ealing Broadway station. Simply key in the 8-digit reference number sent to your email and ta-da, you will get it! So I recommend getting the anytime day return fare as it allows flexibility on the timing, though it's slightly more expensive. After getting the GWR ticket, we will head to the GWR platform. If you are unsure where it is, you can always check with the staff. Now I'm getting onto the train. There is no fixed seat, so you can sit anywhere you like. While on the train, I called the Taplow-Court reception to arrange for the car pick-up from Taplow station.
So I'm at Taplow-Court. Ta-da! This entrance. Yeah. Explore a bit.
This little doorway over here actually leads to the entrance to the reception office. As I happened to join the WD meeting, I had the chance to eat in their canteen too. It's early in the morning. I have booked a day tour with K-Look. We are heading to Stonehenge and Windsor Castle today. Ships, lots of ships. After the coach arrived at the Stonehenge Visitor Centre, we will need to take another short bus ride, about 10 minutes, to the exact location of the Stonehenge.
Did you know the site didn't begin with a ring of stones and went through transformation over the years? Did you know the Stonehenge existed a long time ago in 3000 BC? Did you know it was created by people without written records, so the exact function was not known? Did you know the stones are so heavy and some were brought from 200 miles away? How did they do that? How did they put a stone up there without the current time's invention? Did you know it could have been a burial site for the civilization which lived 2 miles away? Did you know during the summer solstice, The sun rises above the heel stone or sunstone, which is this rock here, and shines onto the center of the ring of the stones.
Oh, it's so cold. Okay, anyways, I finished the tour already. So we've gotten a audio guide. Let's go. Let's catch the coach. Bye. Bye.
This is Sparta!
Did you know that the Windsor Castle is a popular venue to host state visits, and it is also a preferred weekend home of Queen Elizabeth II? Did you know Prince Harry and Meghan Markle had their wedding reception in the St. George Chapel at this castle? But those are not the reason why I went to Windsor Castle. I wanted to see the Long Walk. But this tour only covers the tour inside the castle, but not outside it.
And
啊，什么？
how it works here.
选这个叫 Petit Four，就是说一个小品的。
Like New Year's Eve right now. So we are whipping up some good dishes. The Asian food. Take a look. This.